I feel fortunate to work at the forefront of FMTs in the treatment of autism spectrum disorder. At Novel Biome, we are focused on treatment and data capture with a passion for helping the right patients achieve beneficial outcomes. Through our focus on data capture, I am confident that we can help further scientific support for this treatment approach with the hope that someday it may become standard of care in practice. My name is Dr. Shana Cal, and I'm a neuroscientist and Director of Medical Communications and Affairs at Novel Biome. My passion comes from wanting to understand how we can harness our body's natural systems, such as the gut microbiome, to improve health and start to tackle unmet medical needs. Before starting your journey with Novel Biome, there are some important things you need to know. First, what is the microbiome? Your microbiome is unique and shaped by genetics and environmental influences. A healthy microbiome is vital for many functions within the human body, including protecting against pathogens and modulation of the immune system. Unfortunately, our gut microbiome can be modified by things like antibiotics and other medications, lifestyle, and even what we eat, which can cause imbalance in the gut microbiome, or gut dysbiosis. Gut dysbiosis can trigger infections and has been associated with the development of diseases like inflammatory bowel disease, neuropsychiatric-related diseases, metabolic conditions, and antibiotic resistance. The list of diseases characterized by changes in the gut microbiota continues to grow as research changes. So, where FMT comes into play is when there is dysfunction in the gut. But what exactly is FMT? Fecal microbiota transplantation, or FMT, is the infusion of specially prepared microbiota from healthy donor or donors into the gut of a patient with the goal of improving your health. This treatment isn't anything new. It's been around for over 1,700 years in some way, shape, or form. We actually have a great resource on our website that details the long history of FMT. But in the last 10 years, there has been increased scientific and clinical research into how modifications of the gut microbiome using FMT can improve health and tackle areas of unmet medical need. FMT has demonstrated benefits in areas outside of the treatment of C. difficile, including inflammatory bowel disease, irritable bowel syndrome, metabolic syndromes, neuropsychiatric disorders, and multi-drug resistance. And there's a growing body of scientific and clinical research to support this. So what does the research say around FMT in relation to autism spectrum disorder? First, there is still a need for more randomized clinical trials. With this in mind, the results to date have been very positive. 2 pivotal studies have come from Dr. James Adams' group from Arizona State University. Their initial study in 2017 treated children with autism with daily FMT treatments for 8 weeks. Over the 18-week treatment protocol, gastrointestinal or GI symptoms showed an average improvement of 82% over baseline. Additionally, they observed a 24% in autism-related symptom scores. In a 2-year follow-up study in 2019, they observed that improvements in GI symptoms were maintained, and the severity of autism symptoms was also improved. Specifically, autism-related symptom scores showed a further 23% improvement, for a total of nearly 50% improvement from baseline. To find out more about clinical research on FMT and autism spectrum disorder, visit our website. We have a great blog on our website that details the current body of clinical research related to FMT and autism. Your next question might be, why choose Novel Biome? At Novel Biome, we are committed to providing an experience that is safe, transparent, and supportive for each and every patient we treat and interact with. Novel Biome was founded in response to parents wanting access to FMT for their children with autism spectrum disorder, following the positive results of the 2019 follow-up study from Arizona State University. Initially, we were not solely focused on treating children with autism, but because of the transformative changes seen after FMT in both GI issues and autism-related behaviors, it became clear that we needed to provide global access to this treatment to meet this unmet medical need. As such, in July of 2019, Novel Biome began to focus on treating children with autism. To learn more about our mission, visit our website. In our dedication to improve the quality of life for children with autism, we have made significant investments in product manufacturing, data capture, and global expansion to allow us to provide the best possible treatment. At Novel Biome, safety starts with our stringent donor screening. To learn more about our standards, please visit our website. We are committed to high manufacturing standards. In line with this, we have a new pharmaceutical-grade laboratory, which has been a massive undertaking, but consistent with our values of quality and safety. To date, we have shown improvements after FMT treatment in both digestive and autism-related symptoms, and further improvements after long-term follow-ups using our protocol. We are proud of our treatment approach, with a treatment protocol that has shown positive results and a process that is transparent and supportive for families. To learn more about our treatment approach, visit our website. At Novel Biome, we are also very data-driven and focused on collecting treatment outcomes both before, during, and after FMT treatment. We employ several assessments, including the Childhood Autism Rating Scale, or CARS, a consistent, validated, and widely used diagnostic tool to identify where children are on the autism severity scale using quantifiable ratings. We also recently added an autism-specific quality of life measure, the Quality of Life in Autism Questionnaire, to better quantify quality of life improvements associated with FMT treatment. So, what happens when you make the decision to proceed with treatment with Novel Biome? To gain more insights into our process, please check out our treatment approach on our website. Here, we detail our treatment protocol and what assessments and support is included in our standard of care. As our first step, you will speak with someone on our clinical treatment team. We want to ensure you are informed about the process and know that FMT is right for you and your family before booking a treatment. Check out our Novel Biome Autism Microbiome Quiz to help you better understand if FMT is the appropriate choice for your family. Once the decision is made to move forward with treatment, you will need to choose which of our locations best fits you and your family. Each location holds treatment at different times of year, so you will need to select both the location and treatment time slot. You can learn more about each of our treatment locations on our website. Before your treatment, we will provide guidance on your personalized pre-treatment to best prepare and optimize outcomes for your FMT treatment. Treatment is in 2 stages, in person and at home. For your in-person stage, families have a medical consult with one of our clinical partners in their chosen location. Here, a doctor will do a physical exam, explain the FMT process, and answer any of your questions. Once you've completed the 3-day in-person treatment protocol, you can return home with your at-home portion of the FMT treatment. We provide 2 dosing options, capsules or dry powder to be mixed with liquid for those who cannot swallow capsules. We provide clinical assessments, collect data, and provide support throughout the entire process. There are 3 scheduled virtual consults with our physician's assistant to help prepare and optimize your FMT treatment. Because we are passionate about data collection, we provide 4 different clinical assessments to best help us understand the impacts of FMT. Specifically, we are happy to have added the CARS assessment both pre and post FMT to help us get insights into the changes in autism-related behaviors. This change actually comes in consultation with past parents and is part of our goal of continuous improvements. Thank you for watching. Please check out the FAQ section of our website to find answers to commonly asked questions. And if you have additional questions, please contact us. We are always happy to provide answers to any of your questions.